1. Spectroscopy is a technique in which matter interacts with. Hint: spectroscopy studies interaction with electromagnetic radiation. A. Light. B. Sulfuric acid. C. Magnetic field. D. Plasma. Correct answer: A. Light. 2. Which technique is used to detect conjugation in an unsaturated hydrocarbon? Hint: conjugation shifts absorption to longer wavelength. A. NMR. B. Mass spectrometry. C. UV visible spectroscopy. D. IR spectroscopy. Correct answer: C. UV visible spectroscopy. 3. Colored compounds absorb in the wavelength between. Hint: visible region of spectrum. A. 1 nanometer to 200 nanometers. B. 200 to 400 nanometers. C. 400 to 600 nanometers. D. 400 to 800 nanometers. Correct answer: D. 400 to 800 nanometers. 4. IR spectroscopy is used to detect. Hint: each functional group has a characteristic IR absorption. A. Functional group. B. Conjugation. C. Type of hydrogens. D. Number of rings. Correct answer: A. Functional group. 5. Which radiations are used in NMR spectroscopy? Hint: NMR works in the lowest energy region of M spectrum. A. UV. B. Visible. C. X-rays. D. Radio waves. Correct answer: D. Radio waves. 6. Which bond shows greater chemical shift in HNMR? Hint: more electronegative atom causes greater de-shielding. A. OH. B. NHC. CH. D. SiH. Correct answer: A. OH.